the pricing strategy capturing customer value. So price as a core component of value. So price plays a crucial role in determining the perceived value of product or service in the eye customers. So customer assess the value of a product or service based on the benefits it offers relative to its price, considering factors such as quality, features, brand reputations, and customer service. Okay, so price plays a significant role in shaping paano i-perceive kang sa customer or i-perceive ang value kung sa product or service. Okay, so let's say for example, no, consider ang dalawa bala ka smartphone, no, so you consider two smartphones with similar features but different price points. Okay, so customers may perceive the higher price smartphones as offering better quality, no? So di ba kung the more nga mahal ang presyo kung sa cellphone is mamanaan mo nga ba nami man ang quality na. Okay? Or status compared to the lower priced ones, no? Amura ang price as a core component value. So gina-depend mo ta na ang sa product sa presyo, no? So pag mahal, nami ang quality. Pag barato, hindi namin ang quality. So that is a price as a core component value. Okay, so next is the establishment of pricing objective and related strategies. So pricing objective. So goals set by a company regarding the desired outcomes of its pricing strategies such as maximizing profits, increasing market share, maintaining competitive pricing, or achieving a certain level of revenue. Okay. So pricing objective guides a company's pricing strategy. Okay, so a company aiming to maximize profits might adopt a premium pricing strategy for its luxury products, which a company focused on gaining market share might employ penetration pricing to attract a larger customer base. Okay, so selecting pricing tactics. So we have the discount pricing, so offering price reductions or discounts to stimulate sales or attract price sensitive customers. So discount pricing. So basically go offer kang discounts, no? So offering discounts like ka mga buy one get one or buy one get one free, no? Promotions para ma-stimulate na ang sale or mapasaka ang anda nga sale. So go offer sanda kang discounts or buy one take two ng mga ganon, no? So that is discount pricing. So next is premium pricing. So setting higher prices to position the product as a high quality or exclusive. So sa radyang kalang example is the luxury brands, no? So luxury brands like Rolex or Louis Vuitton employ premium pricing to position their products as high quality or exclusive. So ibig sabihin, no, gina-positionan da nga brand nanda or presyo sanda ka mahal kay gina-positionan da ang brand nanda as high quality or exclusive. So ginatawag raan nga premium pricing. So how about the psychological pricing? So using pricing tactics such as odd even pricing, prestige pricing, or reference pricings to influence consumer perceptions and behaviors. Okay, so let's say in supermarkets, no? So supermarkets often price items at stars ka mga kita mo na may mga cents para like for example 99.50 cents peso or something like that, no? So instead nga himuon lamang nanda nga 100 peso, no? So amura mga strategy ka mga iba nga maglagaw ka bala sa market. So leveraging sa mga malls, no? So leveraging odd even pricing to make products appear cheaper. So ginapakita na ko no abi ni cheap lang no 99.50 centavos kay may lang, no, pero instead nga himuon nanda nga 10 or 100 pesos na lang, no? Kumbaga strategy man nanda para mahambal nga ang ano nga ginabaligya is barato. Okay? So next is dynamic pricing. So adjusting prices in real time based on changes in demand, competitor pricing, or other market conditions. So patas ka mga airlines bala. So airlines adjust ticket prices based on factors like demand and time until departure. So di ba kis ako magbook ko ka ticket, may time kisa depende lang mo sa oras ka biyahe mo. Kung aga pa ikaw mas barato, pero kunwari kung mga daytime mas mahal, no? So ang tawag dun kara is dynamic pricing. So next is value-based pricing. So setting prices based on the perceived value of the product or service to the customer rather than its production cost. So sarang example is the software companies, no. So the software companies might offer tiered pricing plans based on the perceived values of the features. Okay. So next is the setting the exact price. So channel discounts and allowance, so setting the exact price, determining the specific price level for a product or service involves considering factors such as production cost, desired profit margin, competitor pricing, market demand, and customer perceptions of value. So pricing decisions may involve setting a single price for all customers, segmenting the market, and offering different prices to different segments, or adopting a flexible pricing approach. Okay, so setting the exact price. So meaning, you determine the price, no, or determining the price involved considering various factors. Example, so ang sa coffee shop, gaset sanda kang presyo based sa cost of ingredients, no. So kung ano ba kamahal ang anda nga ingredients or the overhead cost nanda and the competitor pricing, while also gina-consider mananda ang cost or gina-consider nanda what customers are willing to pay for the experience. So, di ba mas gamahal ang product base kay mabasa na, ay mahal dyan ma'am, ay ginaangkat pa yan naman ang amon nga product, no, high quality ang amon nga product. Pero at the same time, gina-consider mananda nga kaya ay handyabaydan kang aton nga customers, no, kang aton nga consumers, no. So, ang tawag dyan karaan is setting the exact price. So, next is determining channel discounts and allowances. So, channel discounts and allowances are incentives offered to channel partners such as wholesalers, retailers, or distributors to encourage them to promote, sell, and distribute the product. So, examples include trade discounts, quantity discounts, cash discounts, promotional allowances, and cooperative advertising allowances. Okay. So, determining channel discounts and allowances. So, usually, no, mga companies, they offer, So, companies offer incentives to channel partners to encourage promotions and sales. So, for instance, no, patas ka mga manufacturer, they might offer a retailer a quantity discount or purchasing a large volumes of products. So, for example, no, mag-ibabay ka naghambasan na, sige, kung magbual ka, bikang pulo ka kilo nga kalamay, no, itugruan ta ka kang 10% discount, no. Kung magbual ka kang 15 kilo nga kalamay, itugruan ta ka 12% discount, no. So, ang tawag dyan ka na is determining channel discounts and allowances. So, kung may discount ikaw, di ba, ikaw nga retailer or ikaw the wholesaler, no, may discount ikaw rito sa may manufacturer kang 10%, pero ang baligya mo rito, ikaw ba nga wholesaler, kung ikaw nga wholesaler, may discount ikaw rito sa may manufacturer kang 12% discount, and then gibaligya mo rito sa retailer sa same lang ang presyo nga wala ikaw ti discount, ibig sabihin mas mabahal ang imong profit or ang imong ginansya. Okay? So, next is the execution of price changes. So, implementing price changes involve communicating the new prices to customers, updating pricing structures, and monitoring the impact on sales, revenues, and profitability. Effective communication and transparency are essential to manage customers' expectations and minimize resistance to price changes. Okay, so execution of price changes. So, when implementing price changes, companies need to communicate effectively with the customers to manage expectations. So, ibig sabihin ka, no, kung magpataas ka ba or maibahon mo ang presyo ka sa produkto mo, ang sa kumpanya is kailangan na mag-communicate sa anda nga customers para syempre hindi mo ba sanda mabiglaaw, no. So, sala ka ng example, a software company might or i-notify nanda nga customers in advance of a subscription price increase and highlight new features para ma-improve ang ma-improve or ma-justify man ang anda nga gusto matabo nga change, no. Let's say, no, kung ang ginabaydan mo lang sa Netflix mo is 500 monthly lang, syempre ma-email na si Netflix nga mabag-o sa may himo na nga 600 monthly, no. Kay kuno amo dyan, no, instead nga 1080 HD lang na mahimo rin nga 2000 HD, no? Para ang reason ka is to ma-justify lang andat nga nagmahal tana, no? Okay, so ang tawag dyan karon is the execution of price changes. So next is understanding legal considerations in pricing. So pricing decisions must comply with legal regulations, excuse me, and antitrust laws governing pricing practices such as price fixing, price discrimination, predatory pricing, and deceptive pricing. Companies need to ensure that their pricing strategies are ethical, transparent, and in compliance with applicable laws and regulations. Okay. So, pricing decisions must comply with legal regulations. So, hindi irasanda basta makabuhat lang ka presyo nga wala na dagi na consider ang law, no? So, of course, ang reason karian is to avoid antitrust violations. So, also, retailers no cannot collude with competitors to fix prices or engage in deceptive pricing practices like false advertising. So, of course, no, by carefully considering these factors and examples, companies can develop a well-rounded pricing strategy that captures customers' value while achieving business objectives with legal boundaries.